are using 3 different kinds of vinyl in this little project today. So this first one is our 1, 2, 3 Flex mat, and we're doing a monogram for our new little felt crossbody bag. It has roughly 4.5 by 4 inches to decorate, which is perfect. All right. This is where my Tweety light comes in so handy. This is our pattern vinyl, and it's a vinyl that you don't mirror, and you print it pretty side up on your printer. Here is our matte 1, 2, 3 Flex. Easiest stuff in the world to weed. I like to lay my images down in the order I'm going to apply them. So I'm going to put this one down here, this one here, this one here, and this one up here. I don't know if you can see all those, but now here's our felt crossbody bag, and I'm using a home iron today. I'm just gonna fold up a flour sack towel to act as a base inside of the felt purse. Just to add a little padding. I think that will work just fine. I have my iron set to the highest setting. It's linen cotton and no steam. All right, the first image I'm going to put down is our pattern vinyl. All right, I'm going to press straight down, not going to move it around. So pattern vinyl, you want to press for a total of about 20 seconds, and this is a cold peel. And our cooling block really helps that. We're going to peel it off low and slow. Again, it was a total of 15 to 20 seconds. Okay. This is the next layer. This also is matte vinyl. Now I'm going to use a release paper because I have some exposed vinyl on here. And then of course we have to have just a little glitter on it, right? And I'm going to give it one more press just for good luck. Make sure everything's adhered. And that is it. Couldn't be easier. My granddaughter's going to love this. Maybe I'll fill it with some candy and some coins. Thanks, everyone. Bye. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.